Hello, my beautiful YouTube family. Y'all, the AIA Beauty Bundle for the month of April is here. And you guys, I'm really freaking confused. Come see what I'm talking about. Hello, my beautiful YouTube family. Welcome to our new subscribers, y'all. So very grateful for you all. We've gotten a few more over this last week. I'm so thankful for you guys. Today, we're going to be unboxing AIA Beauty for the month of April. Y'all, it's $35 monthly. But the most awesome thing about this box is for every box that they sell, they donate $1 for cancer research to the City of Hope. I am so grateful for that, and I will always be subscribed to them, but I will always give you a true review of their products. I am a cancer survivor. I have been in remission for over 10 years now. I am so thankful for it. So I will always be subscribed to them, but we will always get a true review of every product in their box. Like it or not, here it comes. So this month is Nudestix. Now, I am a bit confused by some of the things in here. I ain't gonna lie, I'm a little confused, but we're gonna get into it. And we're going to figure out what in the world your girl is so confused about. So, let's just do it. First thing we have here. This is the Nudestix Citric Sea Mask and Daily Moisturizer. It has yuzu and turmeric in it. Now, you can use this overnight as a moisturizer, as a healing mask type of thing. And actually, you can use it as a primer moisturizer. I'm going to try to get the safety tab off. There we go. And your girl is actually going to use it. Let's get this hair out of the way first. And let's see how we like it. All right. Well, we're just going to do it. Now, I don't have any type of allergic reactions or anything to citrusy things, so we're just going to give it a try. There's a very light scent, and just get a little dollop. Ooh, it's thick. It's very, very thick. My goodness, that's very thick. So that's going to be an amazing primer. I may just keep this one here on my desk to alternate with the other one that I use. All right, let's do it. Now, turmeric has amazing healing properties as well as building up the elasticity in your skin. I'm not honestly sure what yuzu does, you guys. Oh, I do love the scent of this. It's very light. It's not overwhelming. So we can deal with that. And we just use the rest as hand moisturizer. My skin's absorbing it quite well, actually. Yeah. And it's like the light scent that's there, it dissipates a little ways. Like it goes away. It doesn't last very long at all. All right, let's see how much that is. The retail value on that is $38. So it is a hydrating moisturizer, primer, all-in-one, powerful formula. It's a vegan, so that is absolutely amazing. It's supposed to help renew skin texture. So we'll see. My skin does look a little bit shiny as it claims for glowing skin, so that's perfect. Again, the retail value on this is $38, so we already paid for the box right here. Like I said, I'm going to leave this right here on my desk. The next thing we have here, this is the Nudestix Nudies Matte. And it is in the shade Sun-Kissed. Yes. So this is a bronzer, blush, lipstick, eyeshadow, all in one. But the really cool thing is on this end, it has a brush. And of course, we're going to use it. All right, guys, let's do this. Just dab it a little bit. Now, all I have on is that right here. That's it. I don't have no foundation, no nothing on my face. Let's do a little here. It is quite pink, as you can see. So I'm not going to put any around my nose or anything. I don't want my nose to look sun-kissed or burnt. Let's just go ahead and use the brush. Always go up to give you that lifted look. Same over here. Oh, she is quite pink, you guys. So you definitely get that sun-kissed glow. So don't go ham with this, or you will look sunburned. It's very pretty. I like that shade very much. Okay, guys. Here she is again. Let's get the glasses on so I can tell you how much she is. Moody's Bronze and Sun-Kissed. This is $34. Again, I like that brush on the other side of it. Multitasking Balm. It was balm. It felt very nice. Face, eyes, and lips for an everyday glowing, beautiful skin. Liked it. Liked it a lot, actually. Again, the value on this is $34. Okay. Next thing we have here is this lippy. Here's where the confusion comes in. So this is called Magnetic Matte Lip in Boho. What is magnetic about it? I don't, what? I don't understand. Now, it is very lightweight. It's very pigmented. It's supposed to last all day long, be kiss-proof and transfer-proof. Retail value is $26. There's nothing in here about what's magnetic about it. What? Here's our shade. Absolutely gorgeous. Now, it's a pencil, so we don't need a lip liner. I mean, it's almost the color of my lips. It dries down very fast. So, if you go to use this, be exact with it. So if you overline like I do, overline a little bit and then fill it in. If you need more, then go back in. It dries down very fast. Now, it just feels like my natural lips. Like, it doesn't feel like anything's on my lips. I like that. That's really nice. Wow. Again, the value on that is $26, guys. All right, next thing we have here is this eye crayon. More confusion. The name of it, Magnetic Eye Color and Doo-Wop. So, we're going to go ahead and use it in conjunction with the all-in-one bronzer, blusher, lipstick, eyeshadow. Now, it says on here, it's a 4-in-1 pencil, can be used as an eyeshadow, eyelid primer, eyeliner pencil, and a cream highlighting stick. Satin finish with intense color that lasts up to 11 hours. So what we're going to do, I'll put this on the outer corner and this on the inner corner. And I'll be right back and show you how to do it. All right, let's do this. Sorry, I need to clear my throat a little bit. Okay, right on the outer corner with this, just using our finger. Lightly dab. We're just going to do a little sun-kissed lip today. Same with this one. Let's do the outer corner. And a little bit more to get some depth. And let's go right where the eye socket bone is. Right over the top. Same with the other eye. It blends out very nicely. Very nicely. Okay. So now let's go and get the eye pencil. Now, I know from past experience that their eye pencils dry down very quickly. So I need to get a sponge out and have it ready to go, or maybe just even apply it with a sponge because it dries down very quick, guys. Okay, no, I'm going to go ahead and draw and just keep my sponge handy. Fast, fast, fast. So we can blend. Just like that. Yeah. Let's do the other. Oh, it just feels weird on my eyes, guys. I like on my eyeball. The pressure. It's a lot different from using brushes. That is beautiful shade. That is gorgeous. That is actually really pretty. Okay, now we're also going to use it for highlighter. A little bit more. Just blend it in with your fingers. You got to work fast because it dries down very quickly, y'all. Just like that. A little on the nose. Just like that. I don't know if y'all can hear, but little Noah is singing in there. You can also do a little ombre look. Nice, just get that little glow. Huh, actually looks really pretty. I like that. Okay, guys, we got one more thing here. And it's not confusing. There's nothing magnetic about it. It is their mascara. This here is valued at, well, let me put the glasses on, $28. Lash Lengthening Mascara delivers natural, full, and feathery lashes. Tripeptide Booster Complex makes lashes longer by more than 11% and thicker by more than 15%. Okay, I'm going to pause you guys and get you up real close so that you guys can actually do this eye up close with you, and then I'll get off camera and I'll finish up my face for you. I just want you to see first how this is. Look at those bristles. I can see that they're going to spread my lashes apart the way I like them and not clump them together. All right, let's get this one done. So here's before. Normal lashes. You can already see the lengthening. I barely touched them. All right, there is one coat. Okay, we're going to go back in and we're going to do 2 coats. I do believe this is the tubular type of mascara, because it's absolutely lengthening, and I think, you know, it's wrapping around my natural lashes. There are no fibers in it. Now, in a previous video, I did speak about showcasing a mascara. This one is not it, you guys. This was not the one I was talking about. It's just coincidental that this one came. Look at my lashes, you guys. Love it. All right, I'm going to go off, finish up my makeup, and be right back. I am back. All I did was add a little bit of black eyeliner to my bottom eyelid there. Bottom of the eye there. That's it. And then put on some mascara on my bottom lashes. That is all. I really like this mascara, you guys. Now, the value on it again is, let's get the glasses back, $28 for this. And I really think it is the tubular mascara. It does not say if it's waterproof or not. Usually the ones that doesn't say that it is, it's usually not. I do know that it came off very easily, so I'm going to say it's not waterproof. So, I do like it though. So if you know you're not going to go out and be sweating or a lot or rubbing your eyes because of your allergies, this would be a wonderful mascara. $28 on it. All right, guys, let's sum up the box for the AIA Beauty Bundle for the month of April. We got the wonderful mascara for $28, the Nudestix Citrus Sea Mask and Daily Moisturizer. This is $38. The Magnetic Eye Color and Doo-Wop for $26. The Nudies Bronze and Sunkissed for $34. And then the Magnetic Matte Lip in Boho for $26. Total value for April's AIA Beauty Bundle is $152, you guys. And, like I said, for every box that they sell, they donate $1 to the City of Hope for cancer research, which I will be eternally grateful for. Ever, ever, ever. So, I hope y'all enjoyed this month's box. Let me see the looks you do. Tag me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is sunnyplemmons5. I would absolutely love to see what y'all do with it. All right, guys, I will leave my referral link down in the description if you'd like to sign up for this. It is a monthly box for $35. All right, loves, I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, guys.